Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in our last video, in our last YouTube web series, we talk about that how to create a YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about we will see that how to customize, how to branding of your YouTube channel. So let's move on the screen. So in this video, we talk about that how to branding and customization of YouTube channel. So let's move on the screen. So first of all, I open a YouTube channel and I click on the YouTube studio and open a YouTube channel. So you can see I open a YouTube studio. So this is the YouTube studio where you can create all of your videos related, watch and see analytics about. So let's move on. The next procedure is how to branding of your YouTube channel. Branding mean what is branding? Branding basically your YouTube channel branding, labeling like your YouTube channel logo, banner, YouTube channel description. It's mean which type of content you create. You can write in the description. From which a user when you open your description and he can see about your channel content, that which type of content you have been created for users. So that's why description is must for SEO, for user requirements, for user engagement. So when you open your YouTube studio, scroll down and you can see left hand side a setting option. When you click on setting option and close it, and you can see customization. So I click on the customization. So this is the customization. So when you click on the customization, you can see this type of dashboards open and click on the branding. So you can see this is the branding. So how to overcome our branding? So first of all, how upload our logo our YouTube channel. So the YouTube requirements is to upload a logo picture on your channel. So it's recommended that your picture has 98 by 98 pixel or 4 MB less. It's mean your picture is your logo is a 98 by 98 pixel or 4 MB less. You can use PNG or GIF. No animation file. Make sure your picture follow the community guidelines. So your picture community guidelines to overcome. So I click on the upload and I open. So I upload any picture. So I click on Emma tag. So I have some logo. I click on Emma tag and open. You can use this type of logo use for your channel. So this logo resolution or MBs fulfill the procedure and follow the YouTube community guidelines. So the next one is banner. So I click on the banner. So first complete the requirements. Banner is type 2048 by 1152 pixel or 6 MB less. So I click on upload. So I click on I have a banner. So I upload a banner. So the next one is a video watermark. Basically, video watermark is used in your video, like your video activities. When you open your videos, any other person videos, any other creator videos, you can see left side in bottom a watermark of his channel. उसके his channel you can see a watermark. So I just decided a watermark for our channel. So I click on the this type of watermark used in bottom of channel. You can three types of in your videos. You can use a watermark end of the video, custom start time. It's means you can use any start time and any close. So entire video you can use. So I click on the when I click on the publish, your logo, your banner and your watermark has been published, and click on the view channel. In this situation, after 1 to 2 minutes, your procedure has been done. So I click on the refresh button. Again I click on the refresh button. So I close, and again I click on the view channel. So this procedure has been 1 to 2 minutes to proceed this action. So you can see a banner of my channel, and again I click on the refresh button. Again, this procedure has been take some time, so please be patient and no fear about this. So I click on the view channel. So I click on refresh button. So you can see YouTube banner, YouTube logo. So this is the branding and customization of the YouTube channel. I hope you really enjoy this video, and this video is really helpful to you. So let's meet in the next video. So then take care of you. Thank you.